There is literally waves inside the marina. Guys, it has been blowing 60 sustained for the past 6 hours now. The BNG wind measurement thingy blew out, so we don't have one anymore. Plastic. It to sustain. So much so that there is white caps waves inside the marina. The boat is moving like crazy. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but we have white caps inside the marina. So much is the wind. The waves are coming from on top of the pier itself, and there are white caps inside the marina.